Neptune 3 Pro is a 3D printer that can unleash infinite creativity. It is powerful, with a handsome appearance. Bed leveling can be completed with a simple press of a button. Leave the rest to the Neptune 3 Pro. It is a tool that can turn your ideas into reality. Whatever you can dream, this machine can help you achieve it. With the popular and convenient print volume, it can meet the needs of most users. Of course, professionals will love it, but also, it is for everyone. Not a designer? That is okay. There are millions of models from popular designers from all over the world available online. Neptune 3 Pro will help you enjoy them all. The newly designed dual-gear direct drive extruder is the most precise system for smoother and more reliable filament extrusion. It's compatible with more kinds of filaments and materials. The dual synchronized lead screws and dual motor drive make the movement of the print head along the Z-axis more stable and accurate during the printing process for incredible prints. The 4.3-inch magnetic removable capacitive touchscreen can be held by hand or fixed on the machine for more flexibility and ease of use. At the same time, Neptune 3 Pro supports many languages. There is no language barrier. The printer has the advantages of ultra-quiet operation, high precision, and long-lasting. In such a quiet environment, you're free to just sit and enjoy a glass of whiskey. Oh, Bailey, don't go there! Oh no! This naughty dog. It's okay. Plug it in again, and you can just keep printing like it never happened. Want to satisfy a child's little wish? So easy. Neptune 3 Pro. Make life fun.